I'm Debbie Evans with eXp Realty in Vancouver, and today I'm sharing how to stage functional spaces that will make buyers fall in love with your home in 2025. Today's buyers are looking for properties that can adapt to their evolving needs, from remote work to entertaining and everything in between. Let's start with home offices. With remote and hybrid work here to stay, a dedicated workspace is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for many buyers. Even if you don't have a separate room, stage a corner of your living space with a desk, good lighting, and minimal distractions to showcase work from home potential. Outdoor living is another huge priority. Recent surveys show that 81% of Canadians consider a backyard either important or very important when choosing a home. Highlight your outdoor space by arranging seating areas, adding some potted plants, and ensuring everything looks well maintained and inviting. Storage solutions are a major selling point. Declutter your closets to show off their capacity and consider adding organizers to demonstrate functionality. Buyers want to envision their belongings fitting comfortably in the space without creating clutter. Versatility is key. Stage rooms to show multiple potential uses. A guest room could also showcase a small work area or reading nook. Don't forget about parking. Highlight garage space, carports, or convenient street parking options, as these are high priority features for many buyers. And in today's connected world, emphasize any technology advantages your home offers, from high-speed internet access to smart home features. Every home has functional advantages that can appeal to the right buyer. The key is highlighting them effectively through strategic staging. If you're planning to sell your Vancouver home, I would love to help you identify and showcase your property's functional strengths to attract today's buyers.